welcome to the Connectorly channel. If you're new here, Connectorly is an integration as a service platform that helps you connect different SaaS applications like Xero, HubSpot, Dynamics 365 and Power BI without writing a single line of code. Earlier, I showed you how to change the currency symbol formatting for a single field in Power BI desktop. Today, I'll show you a faster way to update the currency symbol across your entire model, and the secret is using the TMDL view. What is the TMDL? TMDL stands for Tabular Model Definition Language. It's like a secret code or blueprint behind your Power BI report. Instead of clicking and dragging, you can type what you want the report to look like, how it works, and what the data uses. So instead of saying, put a chart here and show total sales by month, you write something with words like measure sales equals some sales amount, and Power BI will understand it. What is the TMDL view in Power BI? The TMDL view in Power BI lets you see and edit this blueprint. You can read the blueprint Power BI made, edit it directly with your keyboard, change things fast, like measures, relationships, and tables. It's like switching from building Lego with your hands to using a magic wand and spells to build instead. Why would someone use this? It's faster. It helps make big changes really quickly. It can be shared with teammates like a file. But don't worry, you can still build reports in the normal way with clicks. TMDL is just for extra control. Now let me show you how to change the currency symbol on the reporting using the TMDL view. As you can see on my screen, I already opened the demo company using our Connectorly all-in-one template, and I have all of the reports: revenue collected, customer breakdown, bank accounts, profit and loss, balance sheet. I'm just going to use the balance sheet for this exercise, and because I know all the numbers are coming from the Xero journals table, which we can just really quickly change the formatting from British pound into US dollar or whatever currency sign you wish to use. So how to do that? As you can see, you can switch between the different views on the left side. The one you can see right now is the report view, where you can see your visualization. The next one is the table view, where you can work with the data. Model view, which helps you to create the relationship or modify the relationship. We also have a DAX query view where you can write different queries using DAX. And the last one is the TMDL view. This is what we're going to use now to really quickly change the formatting on this report. Once I switch into the TMDL view, you will see a script, which is at the moment for me it's showing the Xero account. It's not the one I wanna work with. So I'm gonna go under the data and we'll find the table I wish to use, which will be the Xero journals, but you can also choose cultures, measures, relationships, and everything inside your semantic model, and you can also modify anything with the TMDL view. So I'm going to the journals table. You just need to drag and drop to create a new script, which is including now my Xero journals table. I'm just gonna use the function, and I'm just gonna say that I wish to change the British into dollar. You have the option to change only one or all of them. Is the normal find and replace window. You can find it. And now it's all done. I changed everything. I'm going to apply my changes from script 2. And once Power BI refreshed my report, I'm going to switch back to the visualization. And as you can see, everything is showing with $sign now on each visualization, which works from the Xero journals table. And that's it. You're done. I hope this helps. Please don't forget to follow up on YouTube, follow up on LinkedIn, and always have a look back into our website, connectorly.io, to check out the latest news and blog entries. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.